Hello everybody, welcome to MrsLinsKitchen. Today I want to share with you a recipe for the Taiwanese-style fish cake, also known as Taiwanese fish tempura or Tempura in Mandarin Chinese. This recipe is another Taiwanese street food that's very popular in many night markets. Although it has the same name as the Japanese tempura, they're nothing alike. The Taiwanese fish tempura is made with thick fish paste, shaped into an elongated form and then deep fried in oil until golden brown. Here is the ingredients overview. For this recipe, you can either use cornstarch or potato starch. You want to use white fish for this recipe. I used 2 frozen tilapia fillet from Costco and they're slightly more than half pound. Other options are sea bass or rock cod. Make sure the fish is half thawed. Taiwanese fish tempura can be eaten right after frying with dipping sauce and pickled cucumber. But the Taiwanese also cook tempura in broth like oden style. Let's prepare the ingredients. First, thinly slice the green onion. Grate some ginger. You will need about 1 tablespoon. Next, cut the half-thawed fish into smaller chunks so it's easier to blend in the food blender. Now we're ready to make the fish paste. In the food blender, add 1/4 cup of ice cold water, sliced green onion, and 1 tablespoon of grated ginger. Blend these ingredients together first. Next, add the fish, 1 teaspoon of sugar, half teaspoon of salt, 1 egg white, and 4 tablespoons of cornstarch. Pulse the blender a few times first to break down the fish. Then you can blend until all the ingredients are well combined and the mixture becomes pasty. You can test if your fish paste is ready by dropping a tiny piece into a bowl of water. If the fish paste floats to the top, it means the paste is ready. Transfer all of the fish paste into a plastic bag. Here I'm using a Ziploc bag. Push the fish paste towards the bottom of the bag. The idea here is to make a piping bag for your fish paste. Snip off a small triangle at one corner of the bag. Let's fry the fish paste now. In the pot, add enough oil for deep frying. Heat the oil to about 150 degrees Celsius or about 300 degrees Fahrenheit. When the oil is ready, start piping the fish paste into the oil. You can use a knife or scissors to cut off the fish cake to the length you want. Take the fish cake out when they turn lightly golden. Continue frying until you run out of fish paste. When you're done frying all the fish cake, heat up the oil again and fry the fish cake for the second time. This will ensure the fish cake is cooked through. When the fish cakes become golden brown, take them out and serve with the dipping sauce. To make the dipping sauce, mix 3 tablespoons of ketchup, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of rice vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of miso. Mix until everything is well combined and there is no lump. Taiwanese fish tempura is one of the most popular Taiwanese street foods, and you'll make a great afternoon snack for your family to enjoy. In my next video, I'll show you how to make the pickled cucumber, which goes very well with this Taiwanese fish tempura. So make sure you subscribe, share, and turn on the notification bell. I hope you liked today's recipe. Let me know how you like it. Happy eating and see you next time.